What up, what up, what up? It's your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber. That's right, y'all. It's your boy, the Options Boss, sliding up on y'all. I hope all is good. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves and made some money today. And I hope you're ready to study so we can be prepared because 2023, I'm dropping a lot of fire to get you guys ready to make some money this year. Now, that being said, guys, we're going to talk about my worst trade of 2023 so far and my best trade of 2023 so far. Now, with that being said, the theme of this video is going to be conservative. I've opened up 2023 trading super conservative, just trying to get a feel of what the market is going to do. And that is going to factor in these two trades, how I close these positions for better or for worse. I'm going to show you guys now. So with that being said, you already know how it go. If you're new to the channel, go down below, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, click all notifications. And this way, when I drop these Get Money Jews, YouTube is going to make sure you get it first things first, right off the press, so we can put these game plans and strategies right into play the very next day, soon as the market opens. And if you're a veteran of this channel, you already know what's up. Go down below, drop a comment, show some love, make sure you like the video. Every time you do, your support help my channel grow, and I appreciate that so much. Also, guys, make sure you go down in that description to find the Discord link. Jump in the Discord with me. Ask me how you can get in the premium. We can get some money together. Now, guys, I am on a chart, as you already see. The very first chart I am going to show you is going to be ticker symbol BIDU, better known as the stock Baidu. Now, guys, I jumped into this trade on the 3rd. So we're talking about, if I can find this candle right here. I'm going to move my mouse down a little bit. So you see that doji type candle right there? That is what I jumped in on, and that was on the 3rd. Now, I grabbed the call, and I grabbed the call with this week's expiration on it, I believe. I'm going to show you that candle. You already know I'm a momentum guy, so I like to look at the candle and see where the highs and lows, etc. This candle opened at 118.86. It got as high as 122.65. It got as low, if I can get over there, excuse me, as 118.04. And it closed at 119.13. So it closed towards the bottom of this candle. Now, I jumped in right here, and I probably jumped in around that 120 area. We broke over 120, and I was interested in Baidu right here. I grabbed two calls. They was expiring this week. I didn't want to go too far out because I knew I wasn't going to stay in this trade long, but I wanted to make some quick money in the premium options Discord. And by the way, guys, that link is down below. Definitely click the link and get in the Discord with us, get in the free Discord with us, and then ask me about the premium, and I can get you on a team. Nevertheless, I jumped in there, and you'll see this candle runs all the way up to about this area right here. And then we stop going forward. Now, right above that area, you'll see that red line. That red line is my 200-day EMA on this chart. So I got a little apprehensive. Like I said, conservative is the key because right now this 2023 market is unknown, and at the same time, the market finished the year trading sideways, trading a bit choppy, and it was choppy for a good amount of the year last year. So I didn't want to take too big of a risk to start off the year bad. So seeing that we could not break over that 200-day EMA, I was hoping to get some strong momentum and run into it. Instead, it looked like we started going the opposite way and going back down towards the 8-day EMA, which is the yellow line. I closed this trade on the 3rd. I closed this trade for a loss of about $216, if I recall correctly. I had two contracts. I lost about $216 on it. It is what it is. I did not carry the trade. Now, if I did carry this trade, I would have been rewarded handsomely. And the reason why I say that is because the very next day, we start up over the 200-day EMA. We had a bull candle. That bull candle opened at 132, and it got, it opened at 126.53. It got as high as 132. So I would have definitely made a lot of money. I believe we got 130 calls when we jumped in. I would have made a lot of money on this had I been patient, had I not been as conservative to start the year. But you can't go by woulda, coulda, shoulda. You got to go by what happened. What happened is we entered in this trade and we took a loss. So if I learned anything from this trade right here is if I'm confident in a play, get the play and let the play run its course. This one I didn't let run its course. I cut it short because I was afraid of that 200-day EMA. Didn't want to take too big of a loss, and it cost me. I did minimize my loss, but I also hurt myself because this loss didn't have to be a loss at all. It could have been a win if I just waited one more day. So that's what I want to show you guys on this particular chart. And even if you look into today, which I won't even go into today's candle, but today's candle went up even higher. So this could have been a dumb win had we stayed in this with some patience. But it is what it is, onward and upward. It's definitely going to be great entries to come, and it'll lead to us getting wins in plays like this that we took the loss in this one. And if you was wondering the reason why I jumped into play in the first place, I jumped in because you see the move up over the 8-day EMA, which I like that move, and it was strong. You look at this pattern right here. So you got the up, that's your pull right there. You got your pull back. This is your flag. So I was looking for the bull flag right here, and the bull flag did come, but it only rewarded patient traders, and I was not patient right here. So we'll take that L right on the chin. Now, guys, I'm also going to show you my biggest winner of this early year, 2023. And my biggest winner, guys, if I go over here, I will show you ticker symbol as soon as I get my mouse off of it. There we go. Ticker symbol NFLX. That's right, guys. We're talking about Netflix. Now, in this one, I jumped in yesterday and got a win. And this one was a fairly easy trade. Again, keep in mind, conservative is the theme. But I'll show you guys as I open this bad boy up a little bit. We jumped in on this candle right here. And you'll see that blue line right there. And what that blue line means on my screen is basically I had an alert set for this stock and it went off. And guys, I set all my alerts on Trendspider. Trendspider is great. I only got 2 eyes myself, but because of Trendspider, I don't gotta sit and watch a million stocks. I can watch, whatever stocks I'm watching and set my alerts, and Trendspider will alert me, no pun intended, to when my alerts are going off, and I can come in, check it out, see if I still like the setup, and jump in. So that's exactly what happened here. I jumped in on this candle off my alert going off. This candle right here was the 4th, and it opened up, if I can come up here, it opened up at 298.24. It got as high as 311.13. It got as low as 295.51, and it closed at 309.41. Now, I believe I had this alert set for over 300. So once it went over 300, I got my Trendspider alert. I did enter my calls, and I rolled this candle right here all the way up. If I can pull back a bit, I'll show you guys. I rolled it to about this 307, 308 area right here. And this is where I took profit at. Now, if you look, you'll see this blue little box that we're trading in. And what that means on my chart is that means we had a gap to fill. So technically, I could have stayed in this Netflix and I could have rolled it all the way up to this top area, which would have been about 315 if I so chose. But again, being conservative, I got to that 308 area. I had a nice looking win. I put the win in the bag. After I put the win in the bag, the candle kept going, and Netflix wound up going up to about 311. And like I said, it finished the day around 309. So I definitely left a couple pennies on the table. But I was fine with that because I was fine with getting the win and getting back to the sidelines. People in my premium Discord would tell you right now, the biggest thing that I'm preaching is get in, get out the way, get the cash, get on the sidelines. So that's what we did here. I could have been more aggressive and got a bigger win. I did not do that. I'm not upset, though, because we got a win and we got out the way, and that's what it's all about. On this particular trade, I believe I got 2 contracts as well. I had 2 contracts on this one, and I believe I made about $280 on this trade. So that is my biggest win to start this trading year, 2023. I'm looking for a bigger win tomorrow. We will see about it. I want you to get in Discord so you can experience that big win with me. Guys, 2023, we're definitely going to educate ourselves. We're definitely going to make some money. Listen, you can always be a boss with the options boss, guys. You already know I'm a holler when I holler.